Hi folks, Derek from SkipperBud's here, showing you a 1995 Celebrity 180 bow rider. This boat is in pretty darn good shape for the age. It's got the extended swim platform that's been added to it, which is a nice feature for this boat. Interior has been well cared for. Wide open layout here. It's got the in-floor ski locker, depth finder, and an hour meter. Capacity of 7 people on this boat, which it accommodates well. Spacious bow area for an 18-footer. Trailer has surge brakes as well as a spare tire. Again, the boat itself is in good overall condition. Comes with a full cover as well. If you have any questions, give me a buzz. Thanks a lot.